You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these brand name of clothing, bags, shoes, fashion brand. Let's say if you want to learn more luxury and fashion design company brands, make sure to stay tuned. You got them all coming up very soon at the end of the video. Italian pronunciation first, so you hear how to pronounce it perfectly. Loro, piana. Loro piana. That's your Italian pronunciation here. If you cannot speak or pronounce Italian perfectly, you can say in English pronunciation, loro piana. Loro piana, it's easy from Italian. Loro piana. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.